Cap 26 are just appears in hobbies, and we've been making these little marbles here with these two halves with the little square for the marble run. This is a mini marble run that we're making, and it's very interesting. At least I find it interesting. You put the little square in there, and then you put the other half together, and you got a marble. I suppose you could glue them together. They seem to be staying together, just with the way they're pinned in. So you need really good finger dexterity to do this. I hope you're sharing this content with other people. It'd be nice if you did. There's another one. Hey, that one kind of hurt. I cut my finger getting these off the plate. I was using a scraper and I slipped. So you put it in there like that. Okay, and you take the other piece and you put the two halves together. Like I said, they might need glue. I don't know. So I don't know how this thing works, really, where you start to put the balls in. I think you put them down at the bottom. Put it like this, and you go like this. Turn it. It's supposed to bring it up. I guess you got to go slow, but let's get it down at the bottom here. Get all the way to the bottom like that. Go slow. Kind of like a game, really. Let's put it up here and see if we can get it to where we want to go. It goes up like this. And it, like that. And then jump the rail. So let's put it on the rail. Goes down there like that. And where'd it go? Oh, it's down here. Down at the rail. So, go like this. Well, you feed them maybe in there. You feed them in here, goes down to the rail. There we go. So you put them in here, and feed them like that. And just got two in there. Okay, like that. There we go. We got it working. I'm gonna have to find a bag for these marbles. Kind of a neat little gadget. It all prints with no supports, believe it or not. Had no supports to print. And didn't take too long, about 2 hours I think to print. You can find this on MakerWorld. It is not my design. I'm not that smart to make a design like this. Whoever did it, you're very smart. And I thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, hype the video. Very important. Share the video. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks, makers. Bye for now.